Hello, welcome to our channel Learn Maths Iga Imibare. We have a question about mathematical induction, that is, show that 4 power n minus 1 is divisible by 3 for n is a positive number. We have 4 power n minus 1. Because n is positive, n can be from 0, 1, 2, and so on. Let's have for n which is 0, we have 4 power 0 minus 1, and you know that if a number power 0 is 1, this is 1 minus 1, which is 0. 0 is divisible by 3. For n which is 1, we have 4 power 1 minus 1, which is 4 minus 1. This is equal to 3. And 3 is also divisible by 3. This is also verified. Let's have for n which is 2, we have 4 power 2 minus 1. This is 16 minus 1, which is 15. 15 can be divisible by 3 because 15 over 3, that is 5. This is also true. Assume it is also true for n which is k. This is to say 4 power k minus 1 is divisible by 3 into 3. Okay. For n which is k plus 1, let's prove that this number is divisible by 3 for n which is this. We have 4 power k plus 1 minus 1. This is equal to 4 power k times 4 power 1, which is 4 minus 1. Here 4 is a sum of 3 and 1. This can be written as 4 into 3 plus 1. Here is 4 power k minus 1. Take this in, you have 3 times 4 power k plus this times this is 4 power k minus 1. As we assumed that for n which is k, this number is divisible by 3. This is to say this is divisible by 3, this one. And because this number is a multiple of 3, this also is divisible by 3. This number, for n which is k plus 1, 4 power k plus 1 minus 1 is divisible by 3. As a conclusion, 4 power n minus 1 is divisible by 3 for n which is positive. Thank you for watching.